Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to paint a peaceful lakeside landscape filled with glowing sunlight, lush trees, and beautiful reflections dancing across the water. This scene is all about capturing atmosphere, light, and the quiet beauty of nature. I begin by mixing white with a touch of yellow and red to create a warm, soft light. Using a small piece of sponge, I gently cover the upper part of the canvas. The sponge creates a smooth, natural texture and helps blend the colors effortlessly, giving us a beautiful foundation for the sky. Next, I mix a deep green using blue, yellow, red, and just a touch of black. With this rich, dark mixture, I create the distant tree line along the horizon. At this stage, I'm not worried about details. I'm simply establishing the large shapes and overall composition of the forest. For the second layer of trees, I slightly lighten my mixture and block in the general forms. These trees sit closer to us, so they'll eventually need more definition and contrast. Building the landscape in layers like this creates depth and helps guide the viewer's eye naturally through the painting. Using the same dark green mixture, I paint the base color of the lake. With long horizontal brushstrokes, I establish the calm surface of the water. Then, by gently pulling some of the color downward with vertical movements, I begin suggesting soft reflections. Near the bottom of the canvas, I introduce a little blue into the mixture and carefully blend it upward, creating subtle color variation and making the water feel deeper and more realistic. Now I return to the distant trees with a smaller brush. I refine their shapes slightly and add delicate highlights where sunlight touches the foliage. Rather than making every tree equally bright, I selectively illuminate certain areas while leaving others in shadow. This variation creates a more natural and believable forest. Moving to the second layer of trees, I continue building dimension with highlights and shadows. The tops and outer edges that face the light receive brighter green tones mixed with touches of blue, yellow, and white. Meanwhile, the areas hidden from the sunlight remain darker. This contrast helps separate the layers and gives the landscape a wonderful sense of depth. I also add their reflections into the water below. These reflections are intentionally soft and slightly blurred. Reflections on water rarely mirror every detail perfectly, especially at a distance. By keeping them subtle and broken, the lake appears calm, natural, and atmospheric. Beneath the trees, I paint a narrow strip of shoreline using a dark, earthy tone. A few gentle highlights along the edge help define the transition between land and water and create the illusion of sunlight catching the shoreline. Now we come to one of my favorite parts of this painting. Along one side of the composition, I begin painting glowing leaves illuminated by the sun. Using warm yellows and touches of orange, I apply small, gentle dabs of color. These bright leaves immediately bring life and energy into the scene and create a beautiful focal point. Below the trees, I paint grasses and shrubs in a similar way. First, I establish only the upper edges of the plants using lighter colors where the sunlight strikes them. This creates the impression of glowing vegetation without needing to paint every single blade of grass. Once the bright foliage is established, I switch to a very dark green and begin filling in the shadowed sections between the illuminated leaves. Layering darks against lights creates richness, contrast, and the illusion of dense foliage. I gradually blend these darker areas into the brighter sections, making the transitions feel soft and natural. Using a dark mixture and a fine brush, I paint the tree trunks and branches. At this stage, I keep the shapes simple and elegant, allowing the structure of the trees to emerge without overpowering the surrounding foliage. After giving these darker elements a little time to settle, I return later to add finer details. Now I move back to the lake. With white, mixed with a touch of blue, I apply a very thin layer over parts of the foreground water. I allow some of the darker layer underneath to remain visible, creating transparency and depth. This technique helps the water feel luminous rather than flat. Using gentle horizontal strokes, I add ripples and soft highlights across the surface. Some areas catch the cool tones of the sky, while others reflect the warm colors of the glowing foliage. Small touches of orange, yellow, and green are introduced into the reflections, allowing the water to mirror the beauty of the surrounding landscape. Returning once more to the trees, I use a small round brush to paint sharper leaves and finer details. These carefully placed highlights bring extra realism and texture to the foliage. The grasses beneath the trees are also refined. First, I paint brighter blades catching the sunlight, then I add darker, softer grasses in the shadows to create depth and variation. Delicate highlights are placed where the light naturally catches the ripples, creating that magical shimmering effect that makes a lake feel alive. With patient brushwork, I continue developing the reflections of the trees, grasses, and shoreline in the water. Small ripples gently distort the reflections, creating movement while still preserving the calm mood of the lake. The combination of light, color, and reflection helps bring the entire scene to life. I'd love to know where in the world you're watching from today. Please leave a comment below and tell me your country or city. Reading your comments and connecting with viewers from around the world is one of my favorite parts of sharing these paintings. To finish the painting, I add the glowing sun shining through the trees. First, I paint the warm orange glow surrounding it, carefully blending it into the foliage. Then, I brighten the center with lighter tones, creating the illusion of intense sunlight filtering through the branches. This final touch becomes the heart of the painting and ties the entire composition together. I hope you've enjoyed painting this peaceful lakeside scene with me. If you found this tutorial relaxing or helpful, please consider liking the video, leaving a comment, and subscribing to support the channel.